Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna play with my another quiet book. So many people requested me to make this video. By the way, I have more quiet book videos. You can click the I button here. Also link is in the description box. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Also press the bell icon. So let's get started.
Second night I've dreamt about you, babe. I don't know how I should tell you, babe. But lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Used to be alone, but now instead I need you by my side. Can't go without one single night dreaming about you. Air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you. Hold me close, I want to. Shut all the world out, just you and me.